Hey everyone! Why not try making an under 300-calorie spinach and mushroom omelet? If you're looking for a delicious, low-calorie meal packed with nutrients, a spinach and mushroom omelet is the perfect choice. Not only is it easy to make, but it also provides a healthy dose of protein, fiber, and vitamins, all under 300 calories. Here's how to prepare this wholesome dish. First, the ingredients. To keep your omelet light yet satisfying, gather the following: 2 large eggs, 140 calories, or 1 egg and 2 egg whites for a lower calorie option. 1 cup of fresh spinach, 7 calories. And ½ cup of sliced mushrooms, 10 calories. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 40 calories. A pinch of salt, pepper, and optional seasonings like garlic powder or paprika. And then, an easy step-by-step preparation. First, sauté the vegetables. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add the olive oil. Once warm, toss in the sliced mushrooms and sauté until tender, about 3-4 minutes. Add the spinach and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until wilted. Remove the vegetables from the pan and set aside. Then prepare the eggs. In a small bowl, whisk the eggs or egg mixture until frothy. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper for added flavor. Next, cook the omelet. Pour the egg mixture into the same skillet over medium heat. Let it cook until the edges start to set, about 2-3 minutes. Add the sautéed spinach and mushrooms to 1/2 of the omelet. And finally, fold and serve. Gently fold the omelet in half, cooking for another minute to ensure it's fully set. Slide it onto a plate and enjoy. This spinach and mushroom omelet is a simple, low-calorie meal that doesn't compromise on taste or nutrition. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner.